This is a MapsIndoors tutorial describing how to manage points of interest in the CMS, commonly called POIs. To add a new POI, go to the Locations area in the CMS, zoom into the map, which in this case is the White House, and click on the pin icon in the lower right corner. Now let's click on the map where we want the POI to be located. At this point, the POIs editor will open. First, we'll select what type of POI this is. In this example, let's select the event type and create a temporary event, such as a registration booth. Let's also add a description and assign it to a category. Categories are a way to group or organize POIs for easier searching in your application. Next, we can select another icon for the POI if we don't want it to be inherited from the location type. We can choose an icon provided by MapsIndoors or upload our own. In this case, we'll override the default icon. At this point, let's save the POI. Now, when we visit the standard web app and search for the new POI, it's visible and navigable. For more information, visit us at mapspeople.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find more CMS tutorials.